Hey guys, welcome back. Last year I had to replace the siding at one of my rentals. Once the new siding was up, I wanted to do something to help protect it because there was a shared laneway between my place and the neighbors. I decided to install a bollard. Ballard. I decided to install a ballard to help remind vehicles and mainly the snow removal to slow down and try not to damage the siding. Alright, so we've made this little jig here. That way I can set this into the concrete while it is curing with all of my concrete anchors, perfectly spaced. And that way I know that, when I take off the nut, the washer, and take out the block of wood, I'll be able to put my bollard and they'll be in the right position. So I'm gonna go now and start digging my hole. Alright, so I've just lifted up the plate here a little bit and tried to finish as best I could the concrete underneath. But I'll leave the plate there just to kind of hold the bolts perfectly in line. And the nice thing is the bolts have a little bit of wiggle room. The kind of holes that they fit inside are fairly large to allow that. And so I just have some bigger washers which will help hold it down. And my plan is once that wooden plate is off and just the bolts are sticking up, depending on how level the concrete pad is, it's pretty good, but there might be some slight imperfections. So in order to get my bollard perfectly straight, I have some galvanized washers which I'll put down. Let's say right there's a little bit low. I can put two washers, one washer, and then put the post on, and then my other washers and nuts on top to bolt it down. So I have some adjustability even once those are set.